Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious homemade tomato sauce, step by step. First, let's gather all our ingredients. You'll want about 5 pounds of very ripe tomatoes like Romas or San Marzanos for the best flavor. Don't forget fresh basil, a few cloves of garlic, good quality olive oil, and of course, salt and freshly ground black pepper. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now that you have your ingredients, it's time to prepare the star of our sauce, the tomatoes. Carefully blanch them in boiling water for about 30 seconds, then immediately plunge them into an ice bath. This makes peeling the skins incredibly easy. After peeling, core each tomato and gently squeeze out most of the seeds. This step ensures a smooth, less watery sauce with a pure tomato flavor. With your tomatoes prepped, we can start cooking. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. Add 3 minced garlic cloves and sauté until fragrant, about 1 minute. Be careful not to burn it. Now, add your prepared tomatoes, a generous pinch of salt, and bring to a gentle simmer. Let it cook uncovered for 45 to 60 minutes, stirring occasionally until thickened. Your homemade tomato sauce is almost ready. Once it has thickened to your liking, remove it from the heat. Stir in a handful of fresh basil leaves. Their aroma will infuse beautifully. Taste and adjust the seasoning with more salt and pepper if needed. For a smoother sauce, you can use an immersion blender. Let it cool completely before storing in airtight containers in the refrigerator for up to 5 days, or freeze for longer.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.